In today's video, I'll show you how to fix hanging problem on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So for this, we just have to follow a list that I made. For example, at first, we have to go and open up our task manager and close all application that is hogging RAM. And then we have to go ahead and restart our Windows Explorer. Then we have to disable our startup apps. So let's go forward and do all these three at first. So just minimize this, then just go to taskbar and right click on it and click on task manager. Then just expand this. From here, click on open navigation and make sure you're on processes. After that, what you have to do is just search for the processors or processes that is using your RAM, and whichever software is using the most RAM, just right click on it and click on end task if you don't need the software to be running. And do this for multiple softwares and your RAM usage will come down, which will make your Windows 11 not lag. And after that, what you have to do is find your Windows Explorer, right click on it and click on restart. This is gonna restart your entire Windows Explorer for you. And if there was any problem with the last process, it's gonna renew it and make sure there's no error and it doesn't lag. And after that, just click on open navigation again. Then just go to startup apps. Then minimize this again. From here, from status, search for all the enabled ones. And after you find them, you have to right click on them and enable them if you want to run them on startup. But if you want to disable them on startup, just right click on them and click on disable. And after you do that, if you disable all the software from here, nothing will come up on startup for you. As a result, your Windows 11 will feel much smoother. After that, you can just close all this. Now, going back to the list, we have to turn on our storage sense. So just minimize this and go to search and search for settings. And from settings, just go to best match. And from here, what you have to do is just go inside system. From system, just scroll down a bit and go to storage. Click on yes if it asks for any permission. And under here, under storage management, you'll find storage sense. Just make sure this is turned on. You can also set this during low free space by default. And make sure storage sense is turned on. That's basically it. Then just close this out. And after that, the next step is Windows Security. So you have to run a scan with Windows Security. So just go to your search and search for Windows Security. Open it up from here. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. From here, you can go inside Scan Options and you can run a full scan, or you can run a Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan. It's gonna basically scan the whole system for virus or harmful files and remove them. For now, I'll just go with the quick scan for the demonstration purpose. Click on scan now. And just give it some time. It's gonna scan your system and come back with the result. If it finds any virus, it's gonna tell you. But till it happens, let's go to the next step. Next step is run MRT. So just go to your start, right click on it and click on run. Then type MRT and click on OK. Click on yes if it asks for any permission. Then just click on next. Click on full scan, but I'll select quick scan so that it's faster. Full scan will scan the entire system, but it will take time. Then just click on next. And after it scans, it's gonna come back with the result. But till then, let's go to the Windows Security and see our scan results. As you can see, it says last scan just now. It found 0 threats, no current threats. It scanned for 19 seconds for me as it was a quick scan, but a full scan will take much longer time for you. It scanned 12,969 files and found no viruses. If it finds viruses for you, you will get an option to remove them. And after that, you can just close this out. And also the MRT is also done. As you can see, no malicious software was detected in here as well. You can click on view detailed results of the scan and it's going to show you a detailed result. As you can see, nothing is affected. If something is affected, you'll see it here and we'll be able to fix it. Click on finish, click on finish. And after that, the last step is view advanced settings. So just go to your search and type view advanced settings and open up view advanced system settings. From here, make sure to go to advanced, then just go to Performance, Visual Effects, Processor Scheduling, Memory Usage, and Virtual Memory. Just click on Settings. Then from here, set your visual effects to adjust for performance. Click on Apply, click on OK. Click on OK again. And that's basically it. Then just go ahead and restart your Windows 11 laptop or PC. And your problem should be fixed. And that is how to fix Windows 11 laptop or PC hanging problem. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.